Hello, everyone. I'm Ms. Kaufman, 8C science teacher, and I am going to explain what we will be doing for our carbon dioxide lab. So the first thing that you're going to need is your packet so that you can fill out information as you do the lab. And then I'm going to go over the supplies that you'll use for this lab. So the first thing you're going to have is a template, and this shows you where you need to place some of your items. It's very important that your items are in correct placement, otherwise you aren't going to get the data results that you're looking for. So you have your template, and you have a clamp lamp that you're going to set on the clamp lamp spot on the template, and then you have a plastic bottle, which you'll set on the plastic bottle spot. Now, on your experiment sheet, you're going to see that there's two different experiments you're going to be doing. The first experiment is just taking the temperature of water only. So how we do that is you have your thermometer, make sure it's on Celsius, that's what we measure with in science. And you are going to fill 100 milliliters of water in your graduated cylinder. So I'm just going to pretend like I filled it with water, 100 milliliters, pour it in. Okay, so I have 100 milliliters of water in here. And the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take a piece of tin foil and you're going to tightly cover the top of your 2-liter bottle. Okay, so make sure that you have it tight enough where air is not going to come out. Once you're done with that, you'll take your thermometer and poke it through. And while you still have the lamp off, you're going to wait like a minute or two until you have like a sitting temperature, which means that the temperature isn't changing. So pretending I took a minute or two to let the temperature sit, I can see that I have 24.1 degrees Celsius. So where it says time 0, so 0 minutes, I'm going to write that temperature down. Now, you're going to have one person in your group with a stopwatch that's given to you at your lab station. And using the stopwatch, you're going to, every 30 seconds, record down time with the lamp on. So for example, I would turn the lamp on and I would start the timer, and you'll have more people in your group to help you with this. But one person's going to watch the temperature, one person's going to watch for every 30 seconds, and the next person is going to write down the temperature. So every 30 seconds, you will write down the temperature of the bottle, or in this case, our bottle is representing our atmosphere. So you'll do that for 5 minutes for this first part of the lab. Once you're done, turn the lamp off, pull out the thermometer, take off the tin foil, dump out the water, and you're going to do the same thing you did for the last lab, but there's one change that you're going to make for setup 2. The second change, or the change that you're going to be making for setup 2, is you're going to be adding 2 Alka-Seltzer tabs to the bottle of water. Okay, this Alka-Seltzer represents us adding carbon dioxide or CO2 into the atmosphere. So once you get your bottle filled with your water, you're going to put the 2 Alka-Seltzer tabs in the bottle, break them up so it's easier to put in there, put the tin foil on top, take the sitting temperature again at that time frame of 0 minutes, and then doing the exact same thing you did the first time around, turn the lamp on and record the temperature for every 30 seconds for 5 minutes straight. And that is it. Once you're done, you can take a look at the summary and see what this lab represented as far as the atmosphere and carbon dioxide. Have a good day. Bye.